This lesson covers regular French verb conjugations under the present subjunctive. All French verbs belong to one of three verb groups, ER, IR, or RE verbs, and each group of verbs have their own conjugations, or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The French subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, and vous can also be used as the formal singular version of you, whereas tu is informal and cannot be plural like vous. Under the present subjunctive, we take the il, elle present tense form of the verb and remove the ent ending, and to that stem we add the present subjunctive endings afterwards. Now for regular ER and RE verbs, this is the same stem formation as simply removing the infinitive ending, but it is slightly different for IR verbs. All three verb groups share one common set of present subjunctive endings. Ion, ie, For the verb parler, we remove the ent ending from its il, elle present tense form, giving us the stem parle. And this is the same as if we were simply removing the er ending from the infinitive form. We then add the respective present subjunctive endings afterwards. Parle, 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 parlions, parliez, parle. For choisir, we remove the ent ending from its il, elle present tense form choisis, giving us a stem choisis. We then add the respective present subjunctive endings afterwards. Choisis, 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 choisissions, choisissiez, choisis. And for vendre, we remove the ent ending from its il, elle present tense form, giving us a stem vendre. And this is the same as if we were simply to remove the re ending from the infinitive form. We then add the respective present subjunctive endings afterwards. Vendre, vende, vende, vendions, vendiez, vende. So that covers regular French verb conjugations under the present subjunctive. I again apologize for any of my mispronunciations, because I am not a French speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.